right here, I'm going in and I'm applying. You can see I already did the bottom, so I'm actually starting the video in the middle. I actually take the Faux Locs and I crocheted her natural hair through it, and I take the tip of her natural hair and I crocheted it back through the base of the plait. And after I do that, I go ahead and I take an extra piece of hair, which is the free hair, and I just wrap it all the way down. I didn't use any glue to seal this off, and that's only because my daughter likes the fuzzy look on the end. So I will, my next video I'll show you guys, I will show you how I actually make the hair really thin at the end so it can stay and it doesn't come up, because sometimes people have a problem making it stay, and I had that problem at first, but now I do a certain technique where I no longer have that problem, so that works really good. So if you didn't get the technique in the first one, I have about 4 or 5 more clips that I'm going to show you how right here, I connect the crochet needle through the Faux Locs, and then I pull her hair, her natural hair, through the Faux Locs, and then I go back to the root and push the crochet needle in the root, and then I pull her natural hair back through that. And I do the second one so that it really secures the base, so when I'm doing her hair and twisting it down with this additional piece of hair, that it actually stays and it gives it more of a better, stronger foundation. You don't have to do that part where you crochet it back through the base, but I think it's very helpful. I think this was the first time I actually did it where I crocheted it through the base, and it actually was very, very helpful if the foundation was stronger, and it lasted way longer as well. So basically through the rest of the video, you are going to see that I am just repeating this process all the way until it's done. I think all in all, it took me about like 3 to 5 hours. Well, I would say 2 hours one day and then 2 hours the next day, because we did do it in days. My daughter was getting tired. I'm like, don't worry about it, girl. Get you a nap. We'll go ahead and finish tomorrow. Wrap your hair up. I also see the stand in the background. That helps so much, y'all. I will put that in my Amazon stores so that you can purchase you one if you need to. Y'all listen, that stand is a lifesaver, because you go ahead and prep and preset your hair up there, and it just makes it so much easier to grab the pieces and keep it moving. All right, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more of these videos. I do have a whole playlist where I'm actually just doing hair, mainly my daughter's hair, or my hair, or my other daughter's hair, videos like that. So make sure you go ahead and watch that playlist. Give me some likes and some comments. The rest of the video is just going to be me finishing this hairstyle, repeating this process. So go ahead and enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.